9:27:07, 3 p.m. We have a good bubbles here. Wow, we can hear it. Put. Yeah? Wow, look at that, look at that. I love that energy. I have a new unit. Now we can see the amps better. Yeah, almost 20 amps. It's too high, but be okay so far. That is my electrolyzer. I'm working for 2 years now. That's almost my final. I don't think so. Final, just for today, final. Thank you. And I'm not going to put the fire on this one because it's going to blow up the whole building. Bye, everybody. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.